The first habit I really recommend you should develop is to actually cooperate with your internal teams and plan your content marketing strategy with them. It took me actually a while to realize that one person knows as much as he can know, and two heads are more than one, isn't it? Therefore, starting planning your content marketing with your internal teams like sales and CEO is an essential habit to build consistently great quality and highly targeted content for your target audience. The reason why sales is because they are your frontliners. They heard all the objectives, questions, and other things that make it as a really great material for your content marketing. Because building your content marketing around sales information, it will help you with shortening sales cycle, improving targeting, building credibility and thought leadership, and develop relationship with your users. And your prospects will feel like you understand their problems and you have the solution for them, which will build the trust between your prospects and your brand. And the same applies to plan your content marketing with C-levels, as they have been through many things, and most probably nobody knows better the business than them within your organization. So they have so much value to share with you that this will help you to build a great content marketing. And also, it will save you a ton of time during your planning, as you don't have to do everything yourself. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more how to grow your digital marketing effectively. Like this video if you like it, and leave a comment below what habit you need to build as a first for your content marketing. Also, don't forget to check out all my links in the description for cool tools for digital marketing, SEO, content marketing, and more. Ciao!